Hello guys, good morning. I hope you're doing fine, and today's class is going to be about subordinate clauses. I know it sounds a little bit difficult, but once you get it, it's going to be really easy. Okay, so as an introduction, I want to start talking about some people that are actually really needy. Sometimes some people use the word clingy to talk about these people. A needy person or a clingy person is a person that cannot go anywhere or cannot make any decision or even can't get dressed without holding the hand of another person. This is when the word dependent comes to our minds. This means that this person depends on another one to function, and this is pretty similar to subordinate clauses. Let's see how it is similar. But first, we have to understand the objective of these subordinate clauses. What is the purpose of these subordinate clauses? It is only to add more information to the sentences. A subordinate clause is also called a dependent clause. It cannot stand alone in a sentence because it is an incomplete thought and must have independent clause by its side to function properly. A clause is a group of words containing one subject and one verb. There are two types of clauses, independent clauses and subordinate clauses. The independent clauses are complete because they make sense on their own, and the subordinate clauses begin with subordinating conjunctions or relative pronouns which both play a key role in making the clause subordinate. Let's examine some examples to understand these clauses more clearly. Example number 1. We finished cleaning our apartment. We is a subject. Finished is a verb. As you can see, this clause is independent because it has a subject and a verb, and it can stand alone as a complete thought. The next example is, after we returned from my mother's house. After is a subordinating conjunction. We is the subject and returned is the verb. This subordinate clause is incomplete and would be considered a fragment if it appeared alone. It needs an independent clause by its side so it can make sense and be considered one complete thought. Otherwise, we are left wondering, so what happened after you returned from your mother's house?